Hello guys, my name is Armin. Today I want to show you how can you scale an exported image from Nearmap in your SketchUp to start your logistics. Without further ado, let's jump into our SketchUp. I can show you how can finalize this process. So in order to create a logistics plan, the first step is to have an image so you can draw over it. We can use Nearmap to create this image. So we need to, let's say, export an image of an area. So this is just a random location. The only way that I want to do it is go to exports. It basically give me the highest resolution. All the time I pick the highest elevation and I can adjust this box. If I make a little bit bigger and it's gonna be bigger than that 75, I'll try to adjust to the whole area and try to get it as big as possible so you can get the whole basically area. Let's say this is what I want. And then it's an easy process from here. You just hit download images and basically this image is gonna get downloaded to your download so you can open it up in SketchUp. There is two ways to scale this in SketchUp. The first would be just scaling any area that you know the dimension, but if there is nothing on this area and you want to get a dimension, you can kind of use Nearmap, right? So I want to get a dimension, let's say from this corner of the building all the way to the corner of this building. So this is giving me 983.27 feet. So I'm going to take this and then use it in SketchUp to scale this image. So I opened up SketchUp, imported the image, and as we talked and reviewed in previous videos, we need to create a tag for every single object that you bring into SketchUp because we want to make it more organized and it's going to be easier later on to turn objects on and off. So the first thing, I'm going to explode this image, create a tag. I'm going to name it Nearmap. I'm gonna group and place it on these tags so I can turn it on and off. So we have two ways to scale Nearmap images. First, you can use any dimension that if you know on the image. Let's say on this one we have the parking lots. So I know this is really close, but it should be like a 9 feet between these two. I can use that. So let's just start with this. So the first thing I want to just show you what it is we have over here. It shows like 1 inch, almost 2 inches. So I know this is wrong. First thing, we need to be inside the group. Go on the measurement tools. I want to get it like as straight as possible. And I want to type 9 feet. Getting the same message. Active group. Yes, it is scaled. So let's double check, see if it's close to 9 feet. So I want to make sure we did it correctly. So I can do it over here. Yes, so this is good. This drawing is scaled and it's ready to be used. So let me hit Control Z, and right now I want to show you another way. If you didn't have any like a parking lot or you didn't know any measurements, when you export stuff from Nearmap, you can measure. So we did measure from this corner of the building all the way to this corner, 983.27 feet. So right now I'm going to use that to scale it. Let's double check first, see what's showing between these two. So same thing, so we know this is not scaled. First step, we need to be inside our group. I'm gonna use measuring tool, this corner to this corner. It shows like 17 feet, but the actual dimension is 983.27 feet. Getting the same message and asking us, you wanna active the group? Yes. So right now the drawing should be scaled to what it is, and the way that I can check to make sure it's good, I can go here just a quick QC to make sure, yes, it's close to 9 feet. So two really easy way to scale any near map images. So if you can find any parking spot, you can just use that, do a 9 feet. If not, when you export from the near map, just select 2 point, get the measurement, and use that measurement to scale in SketchUp. Thank you guys for watching today's episode on how to scale near map images in SketchUp. If you like the content, please subscribe and leave a like, and let me know in the comment section down below if you are using a different method to scale your images in SketchUp. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode.